Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Street Fighter 6 Confirm CAPCOM ID error. So if you're encountering a Confirm CAPCOM ID error in the Street Fighter 6, it could indicate an issue with your CAPCOM ID or its confirmation process. So here are some steps you can take to resolve the problem. First, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Poor connectivity can sometimes prevent the confirmation process from completing successfully. Verify your Capcom ID. Double-check the accuracy of your Capcom ID and make sure you've entered it correctly. Ensure there are no typos or additional spaces. Resend the confirmation email. If you haven't received a confirmation email for your Capcom ID, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it hasn't been filtered out. If you still cannot find it, try requesting a new confirmation email from Capcom. Look for an option like Resend Confirmation Email on their website or contact their support team for assistance. Confirm the email address. If you've received the confirmation email but are still encountering the error, make sure you are clicking the correct link within the email to confirm your Capcom ID. Verify that the email address associated with your Capcom ID matches the one you are using to confirm it. Check your account status. Ensure that your Capcom ID account is in good standing and hasn't been suspended or restricted for any reason. Violations of Capcom's terms of service can result in account restrictions, which may prevent you from confirming your ID. Contact Capcom support if you suspect this may be the case. Clear cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can sometimes resolve issues related to websites' functionality. Try clearing your browser data and attempting the Capcom ID confirmation process again. Try a different browser or device. If you're experiencing the error on a specific browser or device, try accessing the Capcom ID confirmation page using a different browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is related to your current setup. The last one that you can do is to contact Capcom support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, it is recommended to reach out to Capcom support system for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error message you're encountering, the steps you've taken to confirm your Capcom ID, and any relevant account details. Remember, specific troubleshooting steps may vary depending on the platform or region you are playing Street Fighter 6 in. Consulting Capcom's official support resources or contacting their support team will provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date assistance. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!